Question number 8. A runner ran 2 laps around a 400 meter track. That is, each lap is 400 meter length. So in this way she completed 2 laps. She completed the first lap in 50 seconds and then decreased her speed by 5% for the second lap. Find, in part A, her speed on the first lap. So we can find the speed from distance and time. This is the distance for first lap. For second lap, the distance also 400 meter. Okay, so in part A, D1 is given 400 meter and time 1 is given 50 seconds. We have to find S1, speed for the first lap. Now the formula is speed equals distance by time. So we can put distance 400 meter and time 50 seconds. So it will be 8 meter per second. In part B, her speed on the second lap. Actually, in second lap, she decreased her speed by 5%. This 5% means 5% of the first speed. Okay, 5% less. Initial speed, if 100 meter per second, in second lap its speed will be 95 meter per second, like this. So we have to find that speed. If the speed in the second lap is S2 by S1 equals to S1 if 100%, right? S2 will be 100 minus 5, right? The ratios are constant. Why? Because 5% decrease from what? Initial is 100. So if initial speed is S1, right? We wrote if it is 100, then find be 100 minus 5. Now what is S? We have to find S2. What is S1? We just found here 8 meter per second, right? Equals to, this one is 95 by 100. So S2 equals to 95 into 8 by 100. Finally the answer is 7.6 meter per second. In part C, we have to find her total time for the 2 laps. Look, in first lap she traveled in 50 seconds, right? For second lap we have found speed. So from that speed and distance we can find time, right? And this we can find total time. In part C, total time, say T equals to T1 plus T2. T1 is given 50 seconds, right? And T2 is what? D2 by S2. So it will be 50 plus, what is D2? Distance same, 100 meter, and S2 we have just found here 7.6, right? So we are putting this 7.6. So the finally answer will be 102.63. 102.63 seconds. in part D we have to find her average speed for the 2 laps. For this we need to find total distance and total time. So total distance equals to d1 plus d2, right? d1 plus d2. First lap 400 meter, second lap also 400 meter, so total 800 meter, and total time we have found already 102.63 second. So average speed is average, total distance by total time. So total distance here 800 meter and total time 102.63. Finally the answer is 7.79 meter per second.